back on the road again, this time in far-out Jakarta, Indonesia.
It doesn't matter how many countries you visit around the world, you can always learn about its culture, its people, and its manufacturing industry. That's why we're here in Indonesia.
With a population of over 250 million, Indonesia is a vibrant country that is quickly becoming a player in the global manufacturing market.
Jakarta is known in the manufacturing world as having a skilled labor force, quality factories, and a positive outlook. Having done extensive research into new markets, we are very excited to expand our discussions with new partners and suppliers here.
Indonesia is centrally located in Southeast Asia and a major hub for commerce and finance in the region.
We have toured several partner factories around the country and established significant agreements needed to expand our product offerings.
Ideoli is always looking for new international markets, and being in Indonesia is an example of its dedication to doing so.